Great American Audio presents pre-recorded answering machine messages featuring actual classic openings from radio's golden days. There are 8 messages on each side of this cassette, 16 in all, which will rekindle fond memories for your callers and invite them to leave amusing or nostalgic messages of their own. Using any standard cassette player, listen to the messages first and then choose one. Place your answering machine microphone 3 to 4 inches away from your cassette speaker and set the volume at medium. Immediately after the cueing chime, activate your answering machine to record. Stop it when the announcement is over. On your machine, the beep signal will then follow. Good luck and have fun.
Who knows what evil lurks in the hearts of men? The shadow knows.
But he doesn't know who's calling unless you leave your name, number, and message at the sound of the beep.
Around Dodge City and in the territory on West, there's just one way to handle the killers and the spoilers, and that's with a U.S. Marshal and the smell of Gunsmoke.
I'm the first man they call, but the last they want to leave a message for makes me a little lonely. So leave word and I'll call you back.
Hey, Bud. Huh? This is a stick-up. Listen, put down that gun. Shut up. Now, come on. Your money or your life? Look, Bud. I said your money or your life. I'm thinking it over.
While Jack is thinking it over, why don't you leave a message at the beep?
But Green Hornet.
He hunts the biggest of all game, public enemies who don't leave their messages at the sound of the beep. If you don't, you'll feel the sting of the Green Hornet. You're a telephone caller. There's apparently no one at home. Your job, to leave a message at the sound of the beep.
Hello?
Hello, Mr. Bergen. This is Charlie McCarthy.
Well, I hope you're happy with your new ventriloquist. How is the great Frederick?
Oh, you mean Fred. He ain't so hot, brother. Fred hocked me for $7.
Don't be a dummy. While Edgar bails Charlie out, leave a message at the beep.
Weight, 237 pounds. Fortune, danger. Who is it?
The Fat Man.
If this is my blind date, I think I'm in trouble. In any case, leave your message at the beep.
Tired of the everyday routine? Ever dream of a life of romantic adventure?
We offer you Escape.
First, leave a message. The adventure begins after the sound of the beep. There's not much time. You'd better leave your name and number now.
Now, in cooperation with police and federal law enforcement departments throughout the United States, the only national program that brings you authentic police case history, Gangbusters.
Now in cooperation with a phone company, the only place where you can leave a message at the machine gun fire.
Good evening, friends of the inner sanctum. This is your host to welcome you in through the squeaking door to another half hour of horror.
If the caller leaves a message at the sound of the shriek, we'll call them right back.
The Mutual Broadcasting System presents I Love a Mystery, transcribed.
But there are times when we don't love a mystery, and we certainly don't love a mystery caller, so leave a message at the sound of the beep.
Jack can't come to the phone right now. He's rehearsing for an engagement at Carnegie Hall. And if you believe that one...
Well, Don, what am I going to do with you? Just ask the caller to leave a message at the beep. I'm going down to my vault. And remind them not to call collect.
Presenting Superman.
Look, up in the sky.
A bird. It's a plane. It's Superman.
But not even Superman knows who's on the phone when he's out fighting for truth and justice. So leave your message at the beep. Don't wait until we read about it in the Daily Planet.
The Columbia Network takes pleasure in bringing you Suspense.
But you wouldn't want to leave us in suspense now, would you? So leave your name, number, and message at the sound of the beep, and then we'll know everything we need to know. Maybe more.
A fiery horse with the speed of light, a cloud of dust, and a hearty hi-yo silver. The Lone Ranger.
Hey, partner, get off your high horse and leave a message at the beep. And do it pronto.
You tell him, Kimosabe.
Who was that masked caller?